Here's how you can change which music player on your Realme or Oppo phone will have the songs saved into them so that they can be stored and ready to play whenever you open up that player, okay? So this is changing the default music player. Let's do it. So if you install the new music player app on your phone, you want to switch it over to that. As default, go into the quick panel access and tap on the settings. When you're here, go all the way down to where it says apps. Then in the apps section, go to default apps right here. Then you'll see music, and it will be set to the default one, which is the music player that your Realme or perhaps your Oppo phone came with. However, if you want to use one from the Play Store that gives you more features and you just like it better, you'll switch over to it, and it's going to say the new default app may not be able to open files of this type, but switch anyway. So with this here, if you switch over to the new music player app, just make sure before you install that player app that it is going to support the different types of audio files, and you shouldn't have an issue. And of course, you can come back here and change this at any given time, like in setup.